I saw this hilarious TikTok on the listing because there were some people who had like just been there once, and this guy's like, sorry to say it, if a billionaire called me up and said, hey, I've got this private island, all things included, like, come, I'd go once. Once I got there, sure, if I realized it was shifty stuff, I wouldn't go back. But I'd go the one time. It's like, I can't blame someone if they've been there once. Twice, then that's weird.
Unless it's like, oh yeah, I can have early. Like,
yeah, true. But no, there was some people on the list that were like, oh, like, shocking. Why are you there?
So true.
Oh, Nick's on Beverly's. Okay, interesting.
I always I still don't know Los Angeles straight up. I'm like,
We'll see, I kind of like am not fully oriented.
basically like
The store or
a
something.
cool store.
Yeah. Whoa, the rain really does make it feel like a different place.
You guys have an umbrella?
No, but I think we'll running quick. We'll be okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, we don't get that much rain here. But
amazing. Let's feast it up.
all right, you guys have a great day now.
Thanks, you too.
Take care.
Watch, is it only in pasta?
All right, we finished our trip. Comfort trip, short trip. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, cars everywhere. Okay. Oh, $5.99. 13 minutes active. Other earnings. I don't know what this other earnings is. I need to find this out. Okay, earnings increased because why? That's interesting. Wait time fee. I get it. Okay. I get it. Wait time fee. Let's look at the breakdown. 1.7 miles, 8 minutes, $5.99. Uber is still losing money on me between December 18th and January 15th. 112.64 they're losing on me. I'm not buying that because that's been the same number for like 2 weeks now, and I'm pretty sure I made him a ton of money last week when I took 20 in a row. Go check the video out. I will do the same thing on Lyft. Even if it kills me, I'm gonna do it. Oh, there's a big ass accident. Oh my god. Okay, let's pull over before we hit it and we crash into something. What is this? Another comfort. Okay, let's take it. Let's match it. I like doing these shorties. Let's see if we match it. I'm driving, people. It's raining cats and dogs. Anyway, for LA purposes. Still working on it. Come on, Uber, work on it. Oh my god. Okay. Yep, we got it. Short trip. 1 mile pickup, 0.8 miles, 536 comfort. Let's go pick up Dave. Let's do it. I wonder if I can record these while the passenger's in the car. You know, these comfort trips, short trips are getting priced very differently than last week. This is like a super short trip for like $5.50. I mean, again, how many can I do? Actually, the pickup distance a mile, drop off is 0.7 miles. This is what happens in LA. People don't walk. And, you know, what are you going to do? So, let's see, the rating for Dave. 497. Good for you, Dave. I'm coming to you, Dave. Okay. Oh, I hate these stop signs, bro. Uber, you need to work on this navigation situation, Uber. Yeah, I have to cross like a major street now. Go across. Come on now, man. Wow. Alright. Well, we'll have to wait for a red light. Yeah, so that last trip, $5.99. What is Uber paying for the wait time? There will not be a breakdown. Yeah, 63 cents. So, wow. Wait a minute. 43 cents for wait time on comfort, people. So 43 cents times 60 minutes is, what is that, 25 bucks for waiting? I don't mind. I think I waited more than 1:47 though. I'm pretty sure. Oh well. Yeah, we gotta cross the street in the rain without getting in a crash. Let's see if we can manage this. I hope so. I hope we can manage this. Okay, we did it. We're alive. So, let's go pick up Dave. Where is Dave? Dave, I'm coming, Dave. I am coming, Dave. You know what, on this one, I'll just record the guy. What's the big deal? Actually, it's a two-party consent state. I don't think I can record him. More stop signs. Okay. We're doing base trips out here, people. What happened to the saying, when it rains, money pours? Not like that anymore, people. Not like that. Nothing like before. Nothing is like before. And, used to search, bro. The map would be completely blood red when it used to rain. Not anymore, people. What can you do? You gotta do the best you can. Oh, man. Okay, Dave, I'm on my way. So they gave me 2 comfort shorties. The trend continues. Last week, 20 in a row. Oopsie. 20 in a row. 15 were comfort. I'm telling you, Uber is pushing regular passengers to comfort. And I always say, I have arrived. Text your passenger, I have arrived before you even arrive. Let's see if we can find Dave. Where's Dave? Make a quick right and a quick left. Okay. Where are you, Dave? Okay. That's Dave. Is that Dave? Oh, Dave has a prosthetic leg.
Thank you.
You got it. Sorry about that.
Oh, no, please.
Yeah, I was actually going to get on the thing, so I was like...
You're okay. This brace is going to be...
Watch your hand. Yeah.
perfect. perfect. Thank you.
You know, when we get there, I'll open your door. Hold on a second.
Oh, thanks. It's okay.
You good?
Getting out is not bad.
Getting out is easy?
Yeah, way easier.
Okay, cool.
Getting in is a bitch.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, the rain is like, doesn't make things easy because it kind of collects out here.
Yes, it's really
And then you
weird.
gotta just step in them puddles and shit. And I'm like,
But we can't complain. We finally have some rain.
yeah, yes and no. I don't know. I don't like the rain because people don't know how to drive in the rain.
At all.
I mean, seriously, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They just
Angelinos are just crazy.
yeah, they'll tailgate you like 3 feet. And I'm like, bro, what are you doing?
Yep.
Yeah, it's what it is, man. Did you have breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Hope it was good.
They have really good food there, yeah.
What is it? What kind of place is it?
It's American. Yeah, like American.
Okay.
So,
Your
potatoes, eggs, you know, hash browns, shit like that.
Yeah, your usual, okay.
Your usual fare, yeah.
Cool.
They make very good Bloody Marys. That's what I like.
That makes
It was delicious.
morning wake up call.
Oh, yeah. And it's Saturday, so it's okay.
Absolutely.
They're packed, though. Oh, my God. I was really surprised.
Yeah, with the rain, you would think, well, yeah, I don't know. You know, who
They're
knows?
packed. That means not one table was free.
Wow. Well, they must be good. That's why.
Yeah, I think they're not only good, the portions are very good, and they're fast.
Yeah, that makes a difference.
Mm-hmm.
They can turn it over.
I think in this shitty town where everybody tries to be too shishi or too healthy, they do really well.
I couldn't
They
agree
keep it
more.
as normal as possible, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need hash browns and fucking eggs and bacon, done.
You bet.
Nothing dramatic.
I mean, what's wrong with that? Once a week you eat that stuff.
Yeah,
It's,
I
the
mean,
rest of the
you
week
know.
you can eat kale, right? So
Right,
it's like,
you can suck on some grass and that's it.
that's
It's amazing. My mother hated kale. She goes,
I'm not a
whenever I
huge-
grew that shit for the rabbits, I go, yeah, Mom. She goes, oh my God, it grew so fast. I would always feed those weeds to the rabbits. And now look, every restaurant, I said, yeah, Mom.
well, they're feeding it to the rabbits, the human
Now
rabbits.
we're paying $19 a salad, you know? And she's like, whenever
That's
I grew
funny,
it, because
bro.
it was so easy for the rabbits.
Yeah.
I said, I know, Ma.
Yeah,
She
better.
can't get over the kale.
Rabbits didn't even eat that stuff.
Yeah, they're like, "Ugh, come on, honey, give us a carrot. She would grow whatever green so they could eat it.
That's funny, man.
And she's like, I can't believe it. Last time we were at a restaurant, they asked if I wanted a side of kale. And she said, what do I look like, a rabbit?
Yeah, for like $10.
That or like peas with butter. And my mother was like, give me the fucking peas.
That's right.
In front of
You're gonna give me some
that-
green. Give me that in front
Yeah,
of,
in front of the
post office thing.
Yes. Wow,
Okay.
they're early today.
Hold on. I have my blinkers on. You take your time, okay? I don't care if they flip me off or not.
Thank you, sir. I'll tip you on the app.
Oh,
Thank
no
you.
worries. Thank
Oh
you.
boy, they're gonna beep on
Don't
the
worry
street.
about it. I'm used to it. Don't worry about it.
Have a good day. Be
All
safe.
right, you too. Take care now.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, take care. All right, that's how I do with my passengers. Are you guys the same way? I sure hope so. All that for $5.36. Let's do this. Let's turn the app off for a minute. So be kind to your passengers. Don't be a-holes. Be kind. So you guys heard that, right? The famous words. I tip you in the app. What are the odds of me getting a tip on that? What do you guys think? Put it in the comments below. 50%? None? I think there will be a tip.